Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talk about how they do little changes in Windows 10, and you're kind of wondering, why, just why. So it's not there yet, but it's soon to be there. We talked about the first change which is coming, is that in the About page on the System tab, you will have a more modern Windows 11 looking page, which I don't know why. And with this bug fixing update, the update preview we got today, October 2024 update previews, there will be a new account manager in the start menu that will show up for some, not everyone. So this is going to show up eventually. It's not rolling, well, it's rolling out to everyone, but it's not everyone that has it. Actually, a lot of you probably don't have it yet. So there are a few changes like that. The other thing that makes me a little laugh is that, I already knew my PC didn't have the minimum requirements. Why did you now add this new bar that will ask me to check hardware requirements? And if I click on it, I'm checking out what it's going to do. It's bringing me to the Windows page for checking out something. Downloading a tool, I would guess. System requirements. It has all the system requirements here and things that you need. But why are you sending me here when in reality you already had told me, and it was already, if you look at my videos when I'm using Windows 10 and the update and security and Windows updates, there is already on the right side here, oh, your PC is not compatible with, Windows 11. But now you want me to check again. Why? It's another useless moment. So I guess for those that are compatible, that can move on, they're trying to push you a little more into going to Windows 11. But still, mine said, no, why are you asking me to check for requirements when you already told me that I was not compatible? So anyways, tons of little things like that that just makes me laugh, and that I still don't understand why people are messing around with Windows 10, especially that, it has 1 year left and before end of support. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.